Minnesota is an awesome place to live, work, and play. But unfortunately, it's just not true for everybody. We enjoy one of the lowest unemployment rates in the nation. Actually, it's about 4%. It just depends on which month you're taking a look at. When you take a look at the African American community specifically, it's nearly 9%. And that's when we're talking about African Americans with a bachelor's degree or more. And that's just a problem. That's why I decided to produce the People of Color Career Fair. It's presented by U.S. Bank and Midco, and sponsored by the state of Minnesota. It's a way for companies doing business in Minnesota to get up close and personal with qualified candidates of color who are looking for an amazing company to work for. The People of Color Career Fair is coming up on October 18th, 2016 at the Minneapolis Convention Center. And we want to see you there because I think the fact that you're watching this video is letting me know that you're interested in helping us reduce that unemployment rate for everybody, because it's important that Minnesota is a great place to live, work, and play for all. So register today.